Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. So today I would like to start putting up the trim, and then I would like to work on the table and get that finished, and then just do some other miscellaneous things. So let me show you kind of what's going on. So as you can see, I already started putting up some trim. I didn't record putting this up because these angles are not perfect, and I was in and out of the camper like a million times trying to get it. But as you can see, I do have it up. There are some gaps where the ceiling isn't like perfectly even, so is what I'll be doing here in the future is I'll just be putting silicone in there, and then when I go to paint all this trim and everything, all those gaps will be looking better and they shouldn't be sticking out. Another thing that you'll notice is that you see this piece going around the edge here. This was actually the old edge molding that I just that I got, and I just put it in because yeah, I couldn't find molding that would go over that, and the stuff that I did find, it was like 20 bucks a piece, and I needed like 6 or 7, and I didn't really feel like spending a couple $100s on that, so I just reused this old stuff. Now whether it's gonna stay brown or I'll paint it, I'm not sure yet. I'll have to talk to the wife and see what she wants. Me personally don't mind the brown, but we'll see what the wife thinks. So let me get started here. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting, like I said, the trim around the mold, or the molding around the windows, and just kind of getting that stuff going. So let's get at it. Alrighty, so I got the window all trimmed out here. I'm gonna continue on with this window and that window, and then after that, that should be pretty much all the trim that needs to go on in here. So I'm not gonna record me doing the rest of them. You get the drift. You just, yeah, cut the trim, put it on, and then yeah, that's what you do. So give me a minute here and I'll be right back. Alrighty, well, I got all the trim put up around here. I got it put up around this window here, in all the corners, upper and lower, and then around this door here, and then a little bit right there to cover that. And then over here, actually, you know what? I got these corners to do here. So I'm gonna get those done, and then the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come with my caulk gun and then caulk up all these cracks here, and then get some filler and fill in all the, like these little creases and stuff where this trim went, just so I can kind of cover that up to get it a little bit more seamless. And then yeah, we should be pretty much done with the interior, minus like the curtains and the seat cushions and stuff like that. So let me get to getting on that, and I will be back in 2 seconds. Alrighty, so here we go. I have everything all caulked up and everything and ready to start tackling with paint. So what I did is I went ahead and just taped off everything here, as you can see. And then, yeah, next thing I need to do is I need to tape. So, or no, I need to paint. So let me get you all set up and I'm gonna get to painting. Alrighty, so if you look around here, I just got the second coat of paint on the trim. It's looking pretty good, can't complain here. Yep, so I will be putting one more coat on. Painting, man, it's really tedious. It's just like one of those things where I was working on my car and it's just sanding. So it's kind of boring, especially when you got white on white. It's really hard to see the color differences and all that, but this is kind of what we're looking at like right now. But yeah, I can't complain. I'm really digging the white with the gray. It's good contrast, looks great. And then also I took off this this molding that was around this here, just so I could paint and everything, because after I popped it on a couple pieces, you know, it scraped the paint off, and yeah, I just gotta get it put back on. But once this is all dry, that will go on, and then we will be pretty much all done with everything. So getting there, getting closer. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the table, and I will be right back. And alrighty, there we go. I got the table in. You're gonna think it's kind of lopsided. It kind of is, but that's just to allow room to get in on the side here. So when you're going to sit, you have a little bit more room, because if it went out a little bit more, it would be really cramped to get back up in there on the table. But this is what she's looking like. The only other thing that I got to do now is I just got to build a support that's going to go across here and across over on there. So when we're done using this table here, or not done using it, but when we make it into a bed, we can just pull up the leg, take the table down, and then set it down, and then that will be the platform for the bed. So, but this is what she's looking like. Not too bad. And yeah, here it is. So once we get the seat cushions covered and then the curtains up and some other stuff, then man, it's gonna look really super nice in here. But this is kind of where we're at on this. So yeah, but anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. So the next video that I'm going to be putting out will be the stove here. I need to get this, I need to get this all figured out for like the gas and stuff. So that's what I will be doing in the next video. So stick around so you can see that. But we will see y'all next time. Peace.